When you me fair, we are okay.
Many and your friends. Minister Ben. Near me, of course, you could dream. Tina, we are found. She your ministers. Near you. Yes, way. This is a skill. God me behind me. Just say, me show me who send me a minister. Me sure. Into me and who say ordinary person. And I'm there busy with you. Into dear now we have what you as Minister of Defense.
You see, as somehow came here, I say you are making me to believe, sir, Benim Mejuma. Don't forget, Nchibiana president, a bomber basu with the highest medal. So me one of the best defense minister, Maba. Say there were 2 coup attempts. Me na me hu bibia foiled up. Breaky bibia. And let me say this: people who live in fear, they die before their time. Military men and policemen go deal with chi and dia koniaba. Nipa 6. Me as a defense I commit to me for 100, but nipa 5 because me confidence and mad munia come across. Mas uncle for no soon to say even though some target ministers here, but I believe it's a matter of time. We'll flush them out.
Dear, what come on here, me dear granny say? What's your news? Creating me. Sucks. Mammy stole Poku. No, was saying. And what do we?
Opoku died out of his own carelessness. No information in our fine. I see all work and no play Miss Jack and dog boy. He went out there to have fun. I know see kitchen house in Nyrako to me ba. By the time many bam was almost on. Na ya body mama should too. Or you're careless. In times like this, you have to be careful. Because Unkofoni no more delay no. They are highly trained and skillful. By the time they will do be no more. I don't know much about them, but me feel money I ought to say. Omunimide. Scan me there. Then I hope I'm yeah. Then I hope come here. 1, 2,
One from me, Uncle Phil. Oh, Patricia. Maling kono na samalo. Maling kono na samalo. You understand? Before don't chop.
Where? Trigger, hurry up!
Fast.
Guys, oh yeah!
Fast, fast. Don't chop.
You're welcome.
Thanks.
You can easily detect from my face that all is not well. You see, the good people of this country, they've entrusted their hope, their security, and even their welfare into our hands. But if it get to a point, say, I think they are living in a state of fear there. And I say, we are not worthy enough to be in power. Don't forget that the ordinary taxpayers' money, you try me no work. Escalating is here, air condition, wants to go more. No more sweat. And this is to me more or more bind there. Then I was in a packy and near money go baby trying to go food. Why am I trying to say that? And near baby air Koswa, the simple IGP, what to cry? You are a nursing command. Some intruders you are broken. And the saddest aspect of it is my targeting minister killing them one by one with their families. What are we doing about it? What are we doing about this? For all you know, next time be my turn. But I refuse to die. I refuse to die. all the state apparatus, security gadgets, ammunition is under your care. Now allow this uncircumcised, unwanted, undesirable, let me say vagabond people. We are Bogula Kurimu and the ADO. Commander Sule, I respect him. Me bupa because why you be an IP? What's wrong with America? I could share there under FBI. Gather your men. Every minister be a woman of police 420. Men pay ordinary tiny policemen. Men pay experienced buffalo. Every minister be a 20 policemen to make sure they are protected. And if these atrocities doesn't stop, they continue, I will make sure you are held responsible. Because as I speak to you now, my position as a defense minister is at stake.
Sir, I will do my best. You go show a Jumano, the Sibia, you will never operation no boys near. The Nemaka Krabi na Ayabasa. There's a muscle in the crowd. Now, believe say, you better son Bibiano, maybe Mushibiano, you better foresee you may appear. Today, Mr. Kwakmatoyam.
Gather your men. Give them enough sophisticated weapons to annihilate, to eliminate, and even antagonize them. And yes, sir, the next time you will be CBU, Commander Sule, I'll make sure you are sound.
Before I name on the beer, I never consulted my friend. I said, I call it too much.
Me determina. Pressure on me so. Pressure on pa. Nitina my friend. Me young pa. And I may caution. Se ministers will be Bobby to Kumbino. Them so.
Commissioner. And question me kita assignment ke se pa we do dumade. Now so this one has to do with the nation. The assignment bia me kita me jato. E ho be tu one among. Na adia ba ko madwe wa menti ase ne say. Identity of those killers. All boom by my government as a phone kwa na mo take wo. Ade bi akoso wrong wana.
O kasampa. Na me fi so police for na yesade. Because we say, "Oh, my dear, be business here, never be touched." But my transia room, we say, "You know, money is agile." Now, foreigners be, and more money more is agile.
Foreigners. I see. Commissioner, as a professional detective, I promise myself that I will bring those foreigners down. If you have a separate way out of one. And you can count on me. I'll always cooperate with you. So that the information be out. Why? Trust me.
And if you need a boy, pa, so we young could be account. Could should no cassa. Because Eddie, pa, maybe I'm talk around.
Trust in me. Commissioner, please, yes.
And what should we do?
What's the commissioner?
Carry on.
Thank you, boss.
Y2K, Baboski. Y2K.
Yeah, prayer mujani. No mudie sikai. Yeah, masem. Itashisha.
My man.
Let me go for bro.
Come on, let's go. Fast. My man. My man. Bring them down.
Very, very soon.
Y2K. My man.
You go inside. What are we doing?
Hey! 2 weeks.
No ministers too. And also, no minister about. Hey, my guy. Oh, soldier.
Sorry.
Uncle for you from Mufi. I would do a man brother.
Commissioner, I know them. I mean, Kai was in me. Kai a brave Kojina, Nipana no one. You actually Y2K. Sing will be go on. Obekai.
Yeah.
Sa Y2K no. Soldiers are your call Liberia, Copata and Tokwa. Government say a bomb, see a bomb by Zicano. Or would this civil ye? Am I a one cherry or am I here to try to buy a one egg car back? Woman, a bad revenge.
Go for my wood, no, because a crop. As a judge, who was in the remember? Who was in the car? Che and Fanny Mania Cromania. Pass a fool to catch them.
Y2K for you. Now, me woo. Send me to me, Johnny by a son of Bukinaba, but what they make a fancy of spa. Sa a dinner go on Y2K no me say a secret name and you use one Liberia desert camp. You did training. In fact, money a brain. To say your mopa. Ghana is in trouble.
Che me makasoncho. You near brain. Sanko for move da.
Say we show so move.
Me so move da. No money ye lem no kura.
No, me buso asemi. Ade so mo susu ntos ye tonton no. E mo so an so ta tonton de enchichom kunkum mo. Na bai mu mpani for ministers. Any ministers man ye chom ku mo. E no che so maba e ba be revenge ye tie o man no.
Okay. Any de kana matine me wiase. Matine me wiase. Me da so so. De be ni say. E se me pe say oni defense minister be shia. Se de be ya eni be nyina betutu yi. Because said the name of Konihu was a trace. Answer the virtue. The film station, no, the camp on here. Yeah, so best I didn't. But in here, because they didn't come. The work can is at Sabia and go for much money. So,
whatever.
Yeah, come in, please. Okay.
Bye.
Oh, Detective Daniel.
Good day.
Please come and have a seat. Me Pierre Krabana secretary was in more command.
And okay, my boss. Men komo ikita mi nyina no efa wawu a ekoso no. Boss. Anokwasem ni me de mani ato fom no ma hwa ade bidin. Me ankasema notice nipa mienu awuo am gina ho. Na ashensun bi Y2K.
Exactly.
Sa Y2K nipa ne be woni atwere gu no ho no. Minnim Y2K. Minnim Y2K pa. My boss. Sobekaya. Me a former soldier. Yenya ye call Liberia ekopata ntokwa apasum dwi no. Na wo so minor ema ye nsika kese bi bra yaba. Na ye dwumade ni nyina mu no o mine deceive yen. Enti ye ne nya kwan edwa na ye ne de yaba. Na wo na e ka ho no. Sai di Y2K ni ye di bi abra na ye wo grounds. Na wo desert na ye training no. Na ye use a secret code name. In fact, when the boss no, we will say Y2K no, mama back. They have come to revenge. Really? It is serious. In fact, say you two and Namo says here, I'm sure you be lose important person be a boja go form.
Detective, first of all, me the kind that was.
Thank you, my boss.
But these people you are talking about, sir, serious Y2K phone. Me me buy you na me beti so ma wu. Na for you then, almost sorry surface. I did not there maybe I'm Robert you know more come do want to gather force to be a feeding their two so are you sure they are the Y2K you are talking about?
My boss, be a detective. Na a D Y2K no a secret name, yan your former idea no. Ani use you be any outside. The way could watch at the end pep. Bibian Sawum. In fact, my boss say I'm two and Moses here. And possibly the country will be in serious danger because I know those people. Near me kito mono, yet to be fact I can bend some any position come when man say lose souls. Ye marathon, that's a be obo pe biana, ye farmer won, no to me, and
you think, sir, if we are able to locate them and give them something on Bijay?
Yeah, something enough. In fact, said the something enough. Now, Mr. Somunian maintain when him say, they be a crew.
And ye have a more drum why?
What my boss?
Momodiane home, Nano Moncasa. They should tell us their deals and how they want things to be done. Dear no more, and I want you to act and act fast because they are behaving like wounded lions. This year almost started killing ministers. I trust you so much. The one can say the unnecessary background was in my when and then it's there. Now need the country Muyasano. We will meet it and have our peace. To meet your reaction, sir. But my men too can't boss, but me can have a nice day.
Thank you.
Y2K. Where from these people? Ama, me friend wa, so dear Kobenya winning. You and I know, say, we are not safe because of this so-called Y2K people are on my invading Yenkui. Until I want you to, go out there, make sure, say, the print media, which is the graphic papers, now call events, the radio stations and the TV stations, now more sensitize the public, concerning this Nkrofuya or my backroom home, they say we did and we did. More corners, we make sure some money and create who dios. Now, cause of fear and panic. Mr. being the defense minister, and so I will do everything within my means and my reach. We will flash these people out. We shouldn't forget this previous government in a time, now the time no some phone call Liberia, some patantokwa. But the buy na ke was keeping patas keeping and get the mawo and a yen tria. And imagine military man are well trained, well equipped. I learned some weapons are highly sophisticated, you know. Now, Obiawaye embittered na o kumanipa oria almost someone what Y2K. A lot of information about them. I'm told say only highly trained. Obi ono no tumi akoda nwure more really zadnuwe or powerful krana. A simple thing, man.
Hey, me so na mafo so sing. O so ma ba real let it in Ghana.
Be ready for battle. Entino ama bomodiana mo fa letters in all the 4 borders in this country. Mo fa bin ko Cote d'Ivoire, mo fa bin ko Togo, mo fa bin ko Ivory Coast, and the other one just say baby also let ko bia na omo beef up security. We need the military men because we normally highly trained military men there and iron sharpen iron. A bony bush a peja. After that, so the next 3 days, so for letters call my minister for health in Sankabi, minister for agric, and the minister for local government. We areas be a very, very sensitive. We are going to have a meeting. Now, there was so be a something because as a city, I am not comfortable.
No, na can na like na me wasem kasibiaka. Na ine medima aka no na ma tutu nga mama nyama atoto ye me nkrofo so mafrafra ho na ye hia na se na answer that time potin afa ma
time no de e se ke hia be ewia be 12
be do game wo
they are running throughout the evening. Why? All right, okay. Listen here, give me a call.
Y2K, Y2K.
Yeah, enmity be no enye ahongoro so. Eye bresem naba. We may find a state of emergency. Nanko se president babat ne hono do no papa ntin wo fie. As the Minister for Defense, my post is at stake. Because we know say the 4 corners of this nation security is so tight. But Nkrophobia have been able to meander or penetrated into this country. I must say no. Now, what is so absurd and what is so mysterious about their killings and their workings, and they say, omo targeted only the ministers and their families. Minister Puku, he was shot in cold blood. I'm tempted to believe so. If you almost so, you have to be smart and be wise. Minister for Health, we are very, very sensitive. Because to me, blood bank will be no, they can contaminate it. But you know, Mujana virus be a HIV 10 years to come. No, then put in answer because the microphone they have a lot of information. Free.
So for my side, all the big hospitals are secure. I'm okay.
But what we want to do is we are going to release military men and policemen to be on alert 24 hours. Minister Ahmad, you are the Minister for Information and your area is very, very sensitive and vital. Whatever you go out to tell the people is what they will believe and it's what they will take. Eti, what are you doing?
The mini problem cry. Ma boa many ban on Yinkitesian ano. Ne one yana woman when you want down one leg walk. I must be banal be 2 orders, sir. When you wish yampun when you wait saying. Intimate the mini problem, be a matter to them in pepe. I'll go away now.
Auntie, I'm a baby doing here. Ma boa benin messian wound to Sabiao. These people have what we call sophisticated weapons. Umutu ne boa show so 224. Tinya ma boa. What I expect from you is send people to go to the radio station, to the TV station, to sensitize the people. But so this you have to be extra careful and cautious because I said what kind of between a bomb and chebetwaba. Yes, our opponents on the other side will use it against us. What's the meaning of this?
Hey! What is right there? Right there! I said down! Hold it! I said down! Drop! I said down! I said drop! Get fast!
Everybody drop your gun! Drop your fucking gun! Just tell me what you want.
What's going on?
Quiet! Who are you? I am the Minister for Defense.
Minister of Defense?
Yes.
You defend in this country, right?
I make sure everybody under this country is protected and safe.
Shut the fuck up!
Please.
Who are you?
She's Amma.
It's in an woman.
So Amma.
Information Minister.
You are
Information Minister. Information Minister.
Who are you?
I'm a detective.
You detective, right?
Detective, my fault.
Fucking
Please, don't harm me. Shh. Just tell me what to. Is it money, cars, or fame?
No, Mafias Antwi. When you say a cop, Y2K, back again.
Y2K.
Back again.
So you are behind all these hilarious crimes and the killings. Y2K. Just tell us what you want. You're not praying your mama. Oh, please.
Mr. Defense.
Please, don't harm me.
No! And then which now winning quanta.
Hey.
Hi.
We need Mr. President.
Mr. President.
Now, shut up. Shh, I'm talking. Don't talk. So, President Amma, in Yamo.
Mr. Y2K. More pressure, more pressure.
Please. Yeah, I'm calling him, sorry. Yes, sir. Yeah, this is Nyrako, Minister for Defense, sir. Sir, I hope you're okay. No, we are not okay here, please. The patch of Y2K for na bahadi trouble see so no see omu here one kasa. But the corner is something in yes car. Yes, sir. On your behalf, let me intervene. You will be okay, sir. Thank you. The President Dakasa. President, see what the Kawashim demo, Uskebi mo baby and Yamfam.
What the fuck? Minister.
Yes, sir.
Minister for what?
Defense.
Defense.
Yes, sir. I defend this country.
You want to be one of them?
Me come on, Papa.
Who the fuck is Moppa?
Moppa, I'm sorry, I'm calling.
Don't mention thy name again.
Mr. Boy, me Paucho, so what to say I kidnap ministers maybe. And being in the local government, and then I are found.
Oh, I see, and I'm in France. I'm a TC kidnap ministers, I'm see there be. As a local idiot, look as a maternal country, no man buy. Na me buy so minister or soldiers so ne aposi for so na defense minister on so akoka adwam a bra Y2K for no akampo wo no na me go so yan ho hwehwem se nka biribi du na ko betimi age wo ho afire ne nsem yes.
Me patch honorable, me hear me research no. Me say o ministers for no be wo here. Na denti na o tu kwan ja asem no ho na wanka.
Yes.
Na o dwane here. So yes I dey on your mind papa. Ana me po.
Enche ye.
Enko ye kwa.
Yeah.
Ni nyansa ho.
Me patch of my head.
Be how.
Wait, and you did tell me.
And you did tell me.
Calm down.
Now catch and say me can na me nwan. Maybe you may anything, you born it you know, what you say. Come and try on them, see him about you.
Patricia, calm down. Please.
Calm down for what?
Is that what
you are assaulting me, all right?
I didn't insult you.
Yeah, come and stand with me.
Is that what
you are here? Anything. Let me first time, master. I remember office. Listen. People go on. I go read you want to bomb. Want to bomb that. Cushion the two bomb. Come over through. Cushion the two bomb. Now, superior to us, I go read you with a bomb. Next, I go for to two bomb go home cushion now. Or she I go read you cushion in Afra. Ubeja Savia. One have some one crack. Next, I won't can same way I want now. They will be a mono. Ubeti. On my FM station, a TV station, at the same way. I'm moving. Ha, more one. So, what did you my time so much? Mamma, some more.
Hey, when you come on set what? The two one is really out. We be so much.
But you also air conditioning.
Carry on. Mira, mpwachon kampeda mikusanchi kakra. Nantu na mikusanchi mbaya.
Wanya sanchi na mikuwa na banana blue. Quiet! Shut your fucking mouth, man. Quiet! Mr. Minister, I told you, time is over. Time is over. Please, let's solve this amicably. Please, we can't solve it. I'll give you 30 minutes. So President Palma, fire what? Do you think I'm joking? No. Do you think I'm joking? Don't say that, please. Do you think I'm joking? You will come. Hey, now! Here comes the Rebecca, my dear, you are welcome. I will borrow the money. And where is the president?
President? Our minister? How can the president face these rebels?
Hey, you can say we before don't you come We've been kidnapped here.
I expect say your words will be seasoned with salt, and how can you arrogantly you stand here? Please say something wise and sensible. You see,
I told you, the president cannot play these things. Yes.
Look at us. Our whole life is in a mess. Look at you standing akimbo. You're very stupid.
Hey! Rebecca, go and bring the money. President meets 8 million remuneration. She's a boy with beer. Among country, me quite cash.
Hey! Our very lives has taken you are here arrogantly delivering such a wonderful. Please.
So, what did guys on boy and buy? Oh, when you know they would die. Me,
hey! Mr. Defense, enough. Small girls are young.
Who is she?
She is the president.
So? Asante, me a secretary to the president.
Hey!
We are full of fupa. They are coming here often. Huh?
You play with the fire. Get out of here, come on. Move from here. Move.
Rebecca! Hey!
Get out of here. Let's go. Wait!
Please don't pull the trigger, please. I'll do everything possible to make sure the president comes here.
The defense. Do you know I'm a street gangster? I don't give a fuck. Mr. Defense.
Y2K. I'm a family man. If you came in now, there's nobody to take care of them. So, please. I'm saying I've changed over. I'm also a family man.
I hate politicians. Street boys, we hate politicians. Bumbuckler politicians. Nyrako, Nyrako, what's up with me, so? Don't say more again. I give you 30 minutes. I give you 30 minutes. And 1 hour. Minister Defense.
Yes.
I go crazy. I'm crazy. My butt down. I gotta go.
30 minutes.
Yo, Ross. No time. No time.
Trigger, get tired. Trigger, keep your fucking mouth.
Sorry, can you ask me one question?
Please, just one question.
Hey, I'm not the
Please,
man.
sir.
Hey.
Just
sir,
one
what?
something.
Sir, one question, sir. Sir,
Please, wait. What's the meaning of that?
I don't even know.
Okay.
Ministers maybe a meeting or a Bubuya conference hall. I'm a Y2K free. I could conquer woman. I woman who cabrebia in ye. And so what a new mother. Yes, a beer, can't mean woman fan coffee so. And so see a young being say the soldiers say qua on her do lose ministers. Need to win what any woman then to a down. Court any woman kokasa. Se be ya o be release ministers no amon abeyi wo adwuma.
Honorable Menko Abesempa. MC no crese Y2K for no. Taba me was service mo no ma training omda. But see how the air cost for no a different ball game altogether. Omani abraba. Say as we starting no machia. I've been trying to talk them down to soften their stance, but the last time I knew Michelle, Yanko Bongo with you. Oh, Pam from me, walking me out at gunpoint. And you see, I tell my I take you hostage, sad, and easy, and not dear me to me. I call Nima DBC.
Wawampa.
Yes. To wait, be sorry, pa. And you are to me.
For such a way, beer, Ubitino Makasa. But a easy say president Obeko and no Makokasa. Easy.
See, I did no more ask for. They want to meet the president. And in your capacity as a minister, no? You can organize your senior ministers, not only president, like I say, and see the best way out. Because Obi venture this oh yes. It's unfortunate, but that is how it tend to.
Okay, wait.
Yes, sir.
Chale, Mr. Moa, for me, what it was, sir. Okay, leave it.
Commissioner.
Let me say, okay, fine. Since the president did not be mommy, what you give for me? Now, I don't think on. Many you Mukasama, Bakasano no Makanura, and President Belmana will to Mukasa. Many you Mukasa to you.
Pick the damn for me. Yeah, that's it. Oh. Daniel. I think I will say about man. I think I will say about Daniel. Confess my father. Daniel, Chichi, as my make why not child? Oh, my. You know me now. Mr. The president who became. Why, Mr. Nepal, Mr. Bob. Daniel will play a chap by a day. Mr. The president who became. So one name. Now one name Daniel. Now back. With you beat you. And how would you show you back to what you are Daniel, the bad die almost a group. I'm fat to Daniel. The die there be me for being a better. Me for you, Grammy, me person. Why? You're a bubuya out there. I would draw. What's your trouble? A bubuya conference for your honor. Okay. I'll be right there. Okay. Daniel. Okay.
Anyway, that's all go fast.
Let's run the rest of the quantity be and they are money town. And so found after we are dead. They are with arms. Let's meet you for to be a
but my best boys to be count.
No. Boys be an image. This is professional work.
Daniel Ba, my friend.
Yes.
Trigger, Ross, behold, don't die. Oh, don't hide.
Carry on.
Hey.
Sheffield, search him.
Right, whoa.
Wait.
Vendor, shower.
My man.
I know. Say what? Yeah.
See, big Jimmy, I didn't want to so tell myself.
Daniel.
My man.
Daniel.
My man.
Daniel.
My man.
And you're not correct.
See a guy one time. You're risking your life. Dear man. You're toiling quack.
Dear man of mine.
You're challenging the war. Dear man. So am I.
And you're for so be afraid.
You're dumb and country. You're prayer and a demon.
And who would dear?
Daniel. You play young Kayafi, you know, or minus one for sure. You do a minus one, but a boy, a brave Daniel, you black, war down there, Robin Daniel, sure, you know, so Yamara, Nene, Yama, and you do before complain. That was your time. I don't care whatever innocent people. I don't care. I don't care, Daniel. You're my penny now. You're president now. And in the chili form. My man has here. My man, you know me, Daniel. You know me. Hey, I'm not penny paper here. 20 years ago. I'm trying to be a solution.
Daniel.
My man.
If you are in the chili meal, they are already my body feeling. Daniel.
So if it's a going to be more maha, no niasen biaka, yera. I'm a penny paper day. It's not my man. What's the year?
Daniel may count to 5.
Hey, oh God!
Daniel, shut up! Daniel, today, yeah. Move! Daniel, stop! Yeah! Hey,
me your diabetes patient in such a rough rock.
Who did that? None himself that much.
Diabetes. No, such a rough rock.
Today, I'm found and it was such a you don't put the wobble. Fuck you, Bruwaa.
Thank you, boss.
Fuck you, Bruwaa. Fuck you, boss.
Thank you, boss.
Sure. No, concern question right here. Oh my Baba, if you would you buy a concern, baby? I'm not doing I'm just said no establishment. Surrender.
Makuma. Baya mamemu. Mawo this.
Fuck you! The president will get you your body! Fuck you! Boss! Show me steady face. You crazy! Look at it, young. President, look at it. Open the pants.
Nene! Edi akeke ni mo wasa.
Congratulations.
Thank you, my boss.
Detective Daniels.
My boss.
What proved beyond doubt to say you are a very good citizen?
Thank you.
You see, I nearly wept last night when I saw the president decorating you with medals.
It's a great honor.
Highest award in this land. And I said to myself, say, we need people like you. Selfless people. People who are prepared to die for their nation, irrespective of how much or what it will cost. Now, I sat down also and said to myself, say, I then a detective to me trust no create ordinary smoke through the air condition. Now journey. If it wouldn't have been that thing, I mean not because only done were very wicked. Or maybe the two not remember now what would betray me. The guy is without mercy. But you see, Abuano Yakuma Kasi be Trinity. Because I speak with you now, obedient with your but the word Ghana when the name baby water. I'm begging you. The person crown as the hero of this land. Maybe you will be and face them out. Because nobody knows their intention. For all you know, we want someone to say woman for that and someone to make sure no deal. And please, I don't care how much it will cost. I'm prepared to assist you. Because this nation needs you. Please, I'm begging you.
Thank you, boss. My boss, Y2K for an idea. I'm a question. Omuya adikiti woman son. We say training beer Omadino. I was much more stronger than them. I dare say keep tameno Omadi Susa. Now, my boss said ye me wuremu etimdi smoke amo beganeno. San ma say wurem enya ntia say omo shega na ni Togo ahyeso. Na omo take another strategy aside the move up mind mu biemu. Entimadin can let the police what to go ama omo take emergency guide. This is me mobilize me gada me wadwuma mo ahode woni de eseme. Na me do move. Na ma sound omo de aba. Trust me, I'll bring them down.
You see, I'm grateful for your analysis. You have a deep understanding of what you are doing. But you see, the police, looking at the strength of these people, the Y2K or Y, I don't want to even know their name. No, just say they are very skillful. Their abilities to handle the gun, Krano, is something beyond our explanation. It's coming away say the military military phobia almost on my brain. Now I will support you. For all you know, who knows, ABR after this strange event, the president might think of elevating me, take me to another level.
I know.
The foreign minister.
I know.
Apart from what the government have a wonderful person for you. China be Sunday or the watching Saturday, of course, a person is a dear movie in Miancasa Crano, Minyanya ni Pebu, as a mecrane too. I feel never said Beffy. Until I want to spend time with the family, eat and drink with them. Until you are formally and cordially invited.
Honorable invite.
That's right. Once again, I'm grateful.
Thank you, my boss.
Detective. Detective. This man is smart enough. Anyway, I am safe. Here am I on head. The commander Sulisha but trust me, but don't remember. Thank you. This is my story. This is my story.
Anything I made me born so near you, France, cause said the ministers, yes, you basa, when you make it in a began of share or no. It is what I may say, detective, I boku, Umoku. They didn't know.
Ahoy. I'm so Wakazi Ugane, but he who fight and run away comes back at another time and fight. It was said by one legendary musician, Bob Marley. Until I will say more and see a feina battle na shashe because the man here who says we can't locate them in Bibion. Until you are welcome into the party. Hey.
Every man, does it make sense that my body is scarce?
I wish you were there that day to see what we went through. A trunk of phone you see a sophisticated weapons. Mehutu. Different is mehutu. It will eat in a big boom. A tuna pure watch.
And AK-47.
Me dear, whatever. Mehutu will be done. Bra, na remember Minister for Youth and Social Square or two in an audience. Who's on the already no pressure. Mopo. Now my baby one two now. My sonche. Oh, the mes sonche.
But do anything in casa or one pa.
I'm a baby one so best sonche. Free me. Now you asking me, is there now is here Benedict? Say through the help of Detective Daniel. My young information for now, go from a benefit of mine. It does the case, dear. And I will say beef of security on all the four borders.
Yes.
And secondly, so many embassies in Kasa. and the more pictures are come on, any clown wanted.
Yes.
Last but not least, so many UN boss, Akasa AU, so no Makasa. On the from you can run,
yes,
but you can't hide.
Yes, okay.
But then you know, we need divine intervention. Because possibly the way Ghanaian on the baby hotel. And just say you and I will be safe.
See the enemy Messaku. Okay. See Paddy Messaku Mechi. No mental be a member me of school. Papa be a member painter. No Coquahia could be free baby in the room free the Kunkunya. Basabasa de and a Messako. Messako France because a scale go on the real scapa men Canada. No be ante.
I am seriously surprised at you. Sure. Because we area being the minister for local government a sensitive area. You know, so we underground we're seeing how to sensitize the people with the minister of information. What's a mess? How come a risk? Oh, catch them some Bocana.
So dear madam for no be ante me risk. Let me at now where the dear Copembra Miangasa, no hope Betome, a Mudu Amaba. That's our call.
Submission between us will be anti a secret. Yes. But the moment will be on a catch of open secret. Mengoka. But beware.
Now, woman on Mokakra.
You come in way.
We need drew.
Mopa for compare Macobacco. So we could be quiet.
Eight was aqua. And now we are the Katu, Minna Catcher. We see Hokwa. Minister, you were at Nokwa. Hey, my baby home off. Come a Jimmy at Muta.
But why are you talking like that?
You know, my catcher.
I said, security men no man no Omuquato or mam or mine or Virginia.
Ah, what did you say? Was any when you have film,
many.
Colleague, Nene, trigger, you're wrong, Sheffield. At this time around here, you are serious. Something go wrong. Something go wrong. BSC. And you may be better. Be better. You're more better. Masa. You say, you true nene. I'm saying yes, I wanted. Serious. You see, I hope I have right and CID. Me please for say. What to say? I'm also. One person catch you be your hand say. Be the movement here. See busy free free kuma. You walk in your trap order. Trap Benin. You trace Nigeria. From Nigeria to Togo near Baboda so near behind you. Kai Duba. Cause you answer here near maybe better. Because you got kidnapped more. More ministers. But we are kidnapped and not jar. I'm fast some way behind San Kanisika. See, ain't mean coin name, ain't mean some by it. The other person you're trying here in a set. Let's you be a one way drill. Or you expect crack criminal mentality.
Nene, do you have any person in mind?
Bridget, a young person here, listen. You trouble the real. Then Mama more train no more hanky baby. Right. I'm in the Bridget. You program my tracing. You tracing we are near handy racing. Afghanistan.
Ross.
Yeah.
We are sure so both Afghanistan.
Hey, trigger.
Bring that lady with your computer expert.
You been Arab neighbor. One riddle. You said the Arab food city. Let me and Yamubia, or you expect for computer. Or let me a pretty computer. It's not laptop anymore or pretty BBR. They were pretty PPR. Akona ya kono ya nya obi a we dead. We esneta. Ye no big glass. Ye delay. Ye sorry me local restaurant. And you lady seven fast and fast.
Pega, do mi babe. Papo. Pega maunya. Uma.
Bamshi. This is Rashida. Mafias mock. Ghana mia. Bamshi. Ghana mia. Later.
Rashida. This is the house.
Who are these boys?
Oh yeah. This is correct.
My colleague.
And I'm Kwame Trigger.
Yeah. And a colleague. My Joseph Kala baby.
Can he be trusted?
Yeah, for real.
Hey, Nene. What's wrong? Trust me. Obey, pa.
Colleague.
Mitijio. Yes, I'm Mitiji.
Rashida. We just wanna try to fight against them. The Dobas here be fight against his uncle phone. He has some ideas. I hope so. What na Libya? We are Arabni. Only want to come with some means. He have ideas. Be able to develop some ways and means. Be our boy and yet me a fight against them. So on the metro. And nothing here Doba. I hope some you didn't come over baby Rashida.
No problem. Give me somewhere. Sleep.
Okay.
Evening, we work.
Y2K, Boboski.
Y2K. Yeah, brother, mujani. No mudie sikai. Yemasem, kita shishane proye. Bepuchi, any more sikaji. Ejamansem, any more konobo. Kasafon, amanyusem propaganda. Pretty me wakami byakuye anyhow.
Rashida wo much about
Yato, Yesika. You know more speed in Yanko, Yanyan and Ten. So you have fun.
See how never. You see how you dance and praise me. Pretty game here. Very much on dance and praise. Yo,
yeah.
Bange.
Colleague.
Bange.
Rashida.
People are getting to know here.
Oh yeah.
People are getting to know here. Let's move from here, not to different house. Because where you are, you need to move to hotel. Not nice hotel. Do you get what I'm saying? Wretched one. Even guest house is okay. Do you understand?
Yeah, I understand you, Rashida. Rashida, are you listening to me, Rashida?
Talk, I'm listening.
What can I say? I think I could fall by, because you have ideas. To group here, and it's also moving free. Na nearby on all eyes, and we are no fear any problem. They are overcome. I know na be move free. Now a nice hotel any day.
We don't need nice hotel.
I know.
We need wretched one.
I know, Rashida. And you only problem.
We need to move tonight. You understand?
Yeah.
Take care, Rashida. Nintie ko ba e fa na ba e. It's a human annoying. Sir. You should buy no Soviet area has Soviet fear on set. Among for money die. In the FE movement in free fear. Night in this night today we are near ready. Okay.
Y2K. Yeah, prayer mujani. No mudie sikai. Yemasem kitashishane boy. Puchi, any more sikaji, a Germansem, any more Konobo, Kasafon, Amanyosem propaganda, Pretty Wakami Bakuya, anyhow. Nuna, Emma, Yamai, Ekasuya. Y2K. And now I said madness. Yan penny for ye, if moody on my nisika. A mobile my nika. A mobile my nika. If moody on my nisika.
Yeah, I hope so. Misa nene.
Tiny steps.
True nene. It's me a picture.
Follow the steps. On the days.
And Casa
capture fear.
And Casa nene. May the same.
It's Y2K back to Mama Yasayana. Mama Yama everywhere to my 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 Y2K yapekita shishani boy Y2K yapekita shishani boy Y2K yapekita shishani boy Y2K yapekita shishani boy Kai wunu so many tas ni let's go and wunti if I was a come massacre Keta shishani boy more money koso Ati me wakami ya more money koso Yeah baku nebe more money koso Dola Europa ninya kese koso Get me tompu nebe moya juma koso Some be yeah free when you know some be yeah free me no some be yeah free me no some be yeah free penny
Sounds one more there,
I feel we are doctor. We can't even
where Yugoslavia?
Yugoslavia, and go home.
Yeah.
France for us and to say, I say, I name you dim kakra.
That's right.
France, the answer who it will be on my trippy.
And the Okwams are one of Bacardi Brazil.
I heard you. I heard you, boom, minister, Pradi,
What you call Umbeso as a village?
I'm a coy. You couldn't name so. Your panel and your bed, what you are home. Couldn't I said the many
But no security. Up the military police in the Bidaquay, and then we are sure.
Yamotokora. There's an baby, I mess up with you. And Pesacra. In Peru from you.
All of us are at risk. All of us. Because my name is Israel group you so me there. I can't say man being Hey, why?
Sorry.
How about you?
Yes. What's the matter? I'm not okay. I'm confused, please. I'm sorry, boss.
Yes, ma.
Omeje ndi sen kofo no achime baba.
Yes. Why you too careless?
Opie ya na. David. Ofi maka bibia chiro mti obia ofi. For security there, me feel say feel very tight. But I want to make control security. Oh, come on. Akola no.
Intina me pono. Me mama nkora ne da mama tupono. Masade credo abosura bonfin fansa abofom
na bibi everyday te samo wa me
konbenso na e kora ene dase
si ansa no mbiti eja me baba nti se omani president ankasa chia
na wasema wo kenti president onko shi o mo say
Minister for Youth and Sports.
Yes, boss.
So what constitution you feel?
Yes, boss.
When you say Article 24 subsection 2, you try to say it is not allowed or it's a taboo for the president of this country to negotiate with terrorists.
But the boss, the constitution can make amendment.
Constitution for now, for us to amend it, this is parliament, go to parliament anymore.
Boss, so what they try? When they nkasaka kram, what the president ankwa me ba no mbekuno.
That's why we have intermediaries. Yen intermediary for say no mutili. But for you to tell the president in that
one more to harder. Now what the won't course. Let
me call him.
Thank you, boss. Catches, we baby you are telling. Oh, when who's on phone, no one who crack your want and
hello?
Yeah.
Good evening, sir. Yeah, this is the defense minister on the line, sir. So, let me say we are at a hideout because of the pending killings. And the Minister for Sports, Youth and Sports have just popped in. And what he's saying is that just this afternoon, he went to his village, and when he returned back, his daughter had been kidnapped, let me put it that way. And 2 of the security men are also being killed by the so-called Y2K killers. And all that they are saying is, please don't get angry with me.
Oh, yeah.
They want to see you before they will release the Minister for Youth and Sports' daughter.
Very good.
Yeah, I'm sorry, sir.
I can't say
I'm sorry.
I can't say
I'm sorry. Yes,
I'm phone walking.
Yes, sir. All right then.
One day, uncle.
Thank you, sir.
Hello, Mr. President. It is going to wow, oh, boss.
Why are you asking such a question?
I've been watching a normal. Project here, it's
okay, please. It's okay. What? It's okay.
Sports minister.
It's okay, but
what?
Remember
for what?
Campaign is just around the corner. Very good.
I said you will give me. Found no sasako why?
Tia simi your campaign be an pressure to try.
Problem this problem.
Y2K cancer on investigation as you say.
Okay, say the kidnap Minister of Information. And you know, he tried very, very hard to see him baby. It's but so now the woman, but almost had some Arab girl be Abba. Her alliance says she's very, very strong. And you know, I was say he tried very hard to say be able to me actually.
When we hear now, what they look.
Was say he we are still investigating.
Is a paper police to become on a hotel around the Mutimichako.
And I say even clubs in the car. Okay.
But try some more as some Monshe uniform. I'm pressing refugee and call stability and moving problem. Okay.
If I should be very new.
Oh. Carry on.
Y2K, Boboski.
Room service. Room service. How many orders for anything now? So how come there's rooms? Take it easy, I'm coming. Hey, Allah, who come save you?
We retired army commander or command the so-called guys are from Y2K. And then we are found.
Yeah, it's true, sir. Y2K for whatever normal command the army pay and the air cost also no said they all can on mate and I'm be. But Kasaya no me kasa. Already know me no more I started kasa. Do yeah that easy. But we are trusting God say onwa ebe my sa favor no in their size and ebe ya ne no me kananti ase ebe adwuma. Nti afamu de was me here at the boana asomdwe ba na de igusu a yeah.
I'm Patricia, what's the only makasa? Now only makasa and say no me reaction being no me.
It's kind of difficult. I say me own friend Liberia. That pain is still there, fresh in your mind. Don't you know? And easy sir, but yeah, junior me say ono abebe mama enema aye we because government so am assurance say schedule on PBR we tua dia ma omo ti me no mo kasa on those lines and we are trusting God say obebe mama asomdwe aba.
Okay, and say no na mo buy na question too.
Well, no, I mean that reassurance say government stand say schedule on PBR yeah, so me no mo share one-on-one you kusua yeah kasa yeah.
Well, I'm say we there yes sure we very best so we to me any of my kasa say be on slow things down because I kunkum now also
yeah and circumstance yeah kasa na between no kasa.
You and I know say you know we are not safe because of this so-called Y2K people are on my invading Yenkuri. And being the Minister for Information, we are very, very sensitive. Until I want you to, go out there, make sure, say, the print media, which is the graphic papers, now call if it's a radio stations and the TV stations, now more sensitize the public, concerning this in Crawford or my backroom home, the Monsieur Woody and Bedino. Kona mo kono so nyafira mo kan ho bia amana so hu dio said the beya emfa fear and panic and republic I will do everything within my means and my reach. Say we will flush these people out. We shouldn't forget say previous government in the time na the time no sanko for no call Liberia sanko patantokwa but yen buy na ke uskebi pateske bi anka see the ma wo and a young tria. And imagine military man are well trained, well equipped. I learned some weapons highly sophisticated, Now Ubiawaye embittered na o kumanipa uria almost someone want to Y2K. A lot of information about them. And I'm told to say only highly trained. Obio no to me akọ dem more really zabnu or powerful krana. A simple thing, man. Hey, I'm sure my phone to sing. Also, my baby let it in Ghana. And you're more in the hopper. So, ain't no, Ama, Bamodiana, Mom, Falletes in all the 4 borders in this country. Mufabin Cote d'Ivoire, Mufabin Togo, Mufabin Ivory Coast, and the other one, just a baby, also let Tekubia, or beef up security. We need the military men because we know me highly trained military men there and here. Iron sharpen iron. Yeah, and because of this whole scenario, 3 days time, I see a meeting kakra. And me say me no money share a meeting kakra because that area when a very very sensitive. So the women will be a share. The ministry working now. Now you flashes microphone out. Inshallah, we'll flash them out.
Maybe, I can not lie. Na me hu asem kesi bia aka na ina medima aka no na ma tutu nga mama nyama atoto yie me nkrofo no so mafrafra ho na ye hia na ese na answer that time potin amfa ma
time no de be se ke hia be ewia be 12
be game wo
be say they running through all the why all right okay this is me give me a call.
Thank you.
Nene, nazo.
Yes.
Rashida.
There is a problem.
What problem?
A sensi. Wait.
Rashida, something go wrong?
Security very tight. Right now. You need to get this thing. What is it? Commercial car. Commercial car like 207.
Alright.
207 that Benz box. Good. You need to get some to continue with the operation. That is the only way out. I don't care whether you still need to work, whether you hire, I don't care. All the need is you guys need to get a commercial car for us to continue with this operation. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Now you need to work on that tonight. Right now, we need to start working tomorrow. Do you understand? Start working. You must know that my days are very, very short. I'll be leaving very soon.
We know. Colleague,
Colleague, I'm about to start.
This time around,
you guys must be very careful because right now the security is very tight.
Okay. All right. Ross Morgan.
Yes. Detective Daniel. I'm saying you had an opportunity of meeting Detective Kelly Martin. But it's my responsibility, sir. This is Detective Kelly Martin, you know. Detective Kelly Martin meet Detective Daniel Oforiamponsa. We not get acquainted with each other, so they be here together, no. We to build a solid link to uproot these unwanted so-called Y2K gangs. I don't want them in this country. And she meets her, she's a professional.
Once again, thank you.
Now see what Dini saying.
Detective Kelly Amwati. Yeah, me a Ghanaian pa.
Detective Kelly sitting here. Why you more FBI? America White House. Yes, no, because of White House. This would be all the bombings in it, killings in England are foiled up. A saying, what can be?
Now, what call Liberia da?
Oh, actually, not really. Now your assignments be, I mean, we had an opportunity to go there, but due to some circumstances. But then, I've heard so much about it, and I'm a papa a soldier and see.
Abakali, we ni papa kwa na be di ho dance. Ye dey be come on. Because me tey ye no as a professional detective. I say me kofa fidi na me ko profile na me ko hwe. Na eniema me ko hu say good profile ni no in fact, we deserve so de me nante. Komnya ni packet wa.
After going through her profile.
Yeah.
And the kind of credentials he crowned.
Oh, good.
I said to myself, I said, Lord, don't allow this woman to come and stay in this country because of Bakrana, the city. No, not at all.
Jesus' name.
Amen.
It's a moment me more than necessary.
Yeah, when it feels, yeah.
That is some way here. Already they can come back with some bam rounds. You know, some of the staff and I know where you're be.
Okay.
When my mama another security issue at the same well, Dimachi all along. So they are. But financially, you have no problem.
Okay.
Weapons we
are here, I will deliver.
Car.
And a can.
Okay, and apart from that, so Detective Daniel, Metro say, vital information, you know, regarding these Y2K.
Oh, for that one you can trust me.
Very important.
You can trust me.
All right, thank you.
I foresee her as a
Y2K, Y2K. Yeah, Breya Mujani, no Mudie Sikai, Yama.
Honorable, and of course, in Yeguso, it and a more pan. Baby, I didn't run, baby, I didn't very soon, as I promised. I will bring them down.
Definitely.
Yeah, I'll bring them down with my colleague Kelly.
Exactly.
Everybody come down until Koswana energy deal with me.
You see,
yeah. Honorable, so as detective, would you just still have that hope in us? Okay.
You see, for now, the whole thing is not about words. It's about works. And I expect you guys to be circumspect when it comes to, handling this case. It's very, very delicate. Because how could these guys say, Oma holding the whole nation into ransom? Oma cause of fear and panic. I bring them down, every day down. And it's like I'm becoming downhearted. It comes to the same more handle the theory aspect of it, you just go on and do your own investigation. Now you mean take the practical aspect of the whole thing. No matter the military pounds heavily on them. After all the Akyere, they do maybe the US pounds on them and they were able to kill their leader. Who are they?
Honorable, with you, Mr. We need you more. Miss Remicon, bringing them down again. I will see you. If you say what we are going through, what we are doing, for them to be able to go down, and easy. Honorable, what am I say? And easy, Detective Daniel Bedi Madansi. This is a very delicate issue. I've dealt with cases before, but this, it's not easy.
Honorable,
it's not easy.
Honorable. In fact, this is not a matter of descending and ascending on them with soldiers. No, these people are coming on one. I was part of them. Liberia war, desert camp, Jai, training in Nipanamant Timono, with the soldiers call or Massibashi in fact or May, many professional detective also the manner me what intelligence and taking at me as I near. It is Jai should be by inside. Now you know what you from trust us, we bring them down.
Why, Honorable? Because as he was saying, these people, or try baby are normal. This is somebody who has been with them. Yeah. When the momo, he knows their pros and cons, momo's secrets, everything. And so, what's me try baby or take now you call honorable muniwa. You should understand.
You see, you guys don't know the kind of heat I'm passing through, you know. The whole nation is counting on me to make sure that these perpetrators are arrested and brought before justice. So for them, I'm here.
Well, Honorable, they say we are done sending yeah, so we are still putting things together, Miss Rel. We are still keep the hope and faith in us.
I spoke with my man. You do many mono. My very best friend, old soldier. Now, explosion never didn't calculate you into Nama. As we lose trust in me. I'm a Nebu of Fumikakra, or whom is a tamfo. The Casa or the Macasania bat. Intelligence, I'm a one of me, the real woman not penetrated through him. Them the Yomaka.
Definitely.
Continue to trust in us.
The word is trust, Honorable. Trust.
Rush. My man, we've been here for quite a long time. What are we doing here?
Rashida, calm down. Be waiting. Detective, you know.
But we've been sitting here, we've been standing here for quite a long time. Are you sure they are here?
Please, Rashida, calm down. Ahani baby, if it me a tamu sa detective. I hope Sahayano Namdebia. So on our back computer now want this area of more. One particular area offer. Tina me ababa. And tamu chukua. Ain't me now. Calm down, please. Please, Rashida, calm down.
Rashida, bibieni nyabutre. Nene onimnie oye. Tamu chukuma fanboy no.
Jali ready what eh? A monitor wa here. Yes, ready. Pianya ready, a monitor wa here. I hope so here. So we a computer, Rashida. Show computers, oh boy, and this area here now who's boy. What is it? Worry, boy. Everybody get ready on it and tell you the guy.
Y2K, Y2K.
Honorable, in fact, the whole nation is disappointing me. On money is disappointing me. Ade, I'm renting some more pesca. On pesa president, this can share woman. I didn't tell my president first can show me. No more cook me pasa. Sending a mayor and commissioner Kia woo. Commissioner me Jan fee. I feel Wurawa, or the cardium the Cassaye to na me maya dwene yetimi kumie no gufia e kumie no gufia se nyame a ka commission so de kontiase no mo de me also jantinkanya de metima wuo tie sia de me kan se mun tumi ma governor no em fa sika no komo mo de a in fact asoja fo bi na ka mo ho asem no so obetumi amaba abedi send o mo so no se sia de mama kwan ma soja fo no be descend o mo so bring them down because me de me ntimi to aso bi
Detective Sule, or Detective Daniel. I quite remember saying we share so many occasions that Nina Obekwa wouldn't say Siubo or say trust in me.
Yeah, trust me.
And you know the Bible can say and no man kind of didn't really share the Pemona is Udika because initially I appointed you, but you are trying to disappoint me. There's a scripture in the Bible, managing policy. If you falter in the days of adversity, how small is your strength? What started falter? What do you say? And all of us, we are at risk. The whole nation are depending on you guys to make sure that this hilarious killings comes to an end. And you see, when frustrated men are delivering their dialogues, you have to give them the opportunity to talk, because when you become frustrated, it brings negativity.
Honorable, in fact, the better you allow the president to meet these people, the better it will be for both of us and the nation. Someone to me, my governor and fiscal and Kodia, I am out from this mess. Meet me from Nkwantuosa. And our Commissioner Sule, okay?
I'm okay.
Over to us. And you go ahead.
So the person can make an essay. The president, quite no show. Let's create near tight. I better want to move from some president. It's my boy.
So maybe I'm not done my attention about also because I can see say when you are brave. I would say all of you will be our constitution be that them. Okay, Article 32, subsection 1, or say it is a taboo for the number one personality, is talking about the president, to negotiate, to even come into contact or eyeball to eyeball with terrorists. It is against the rules of this honorable land. So what are you talking about?
Dear was some of the constitution.
The very day we put the constitution aside, this nation ceases to be nation. And the constitution is like death, because that's the rules for every Ghanaian under the sound of my voice.
Then the very day I, Daniel, walk out from this place, you will not see me again.
Maybe a drone. Or see, you're an assassin. They are bought in day my Mujanum, a shame Muja de Kuomaye. A drone, how do a drone, Commander Sulawuti, Commissioner, a drone, so. See, be said a bigger generation even yet unborn. We come in here and say a time, maybe see ya, they see it, but there was this manner, he stood on his grounds. All of you are mentioning the name of Jesus Christ. Why? Because even on the cross, he died for his people. Stop behaving and stop using this kind of caricature words. I'm not interested.
Sorry.
I drew to deliver our people from these hilarious killings and crime. And you are running away from the battle. And you will fight and run away, and you come back another day and fight it. Come on, let's stand in it. And you know. Oh, maybe I will share some food. Sometimes, Yana, the catcher must have a cram in a bar band. Oh, no. 25 million Ghanaians, you know, coaches, you know, lawyers, in detective officers,
judges, and all.
And you use it.
One more thing. Honorable Wady, sorry, maybe I send you Kaka. Yeah. Me I may cast in the actual names in Refi. Lady Na Arabian. We've been able to track her. The thing is, since I know your information be brilliant, just is keeping me. Nidia or Yusu Rashida Adams. Rashida Adams. And one thing to say, or you're very skeptical, Kaka. I mean, or you're computer literate, serious one, or pretty almost on all the networks. The internet connections, no, you're serious. And see, I was thinking, saying, I'll be to many communication networks, na kasa, you know, and you go to one, you get to an agreement. Now I'm gonna block it. Yeah. I'm a way of communication. You know, probably one area one of you know, I think from that area, one more time you're pretty. Or 3 basic places via so if you can do that, I will issue all the way traces now to you so that you talk to them.
Honorable, in fact, the Obeyke a serious man, a serious. Oh, me akwami hwehwemu simechira me say Sally General Adams was a final.
Rashida.
If as Rashida, well computer mobile for. Already be you connective computer.
Yeah.
Oh, a computer lecturer woman. I didn't peer where we would. Do maybe I'm a man, I'm a kid, I'm a Patricia Bentum, if you get so, and you want to have a life. Let me ask you, access computers in so. Oh, or disturb you.
I think if blocking their areas of communication and their network will help speed up, you know, locate where they are. I don't think that should pose a problem. You understand what I mean? And you know, I'll get in touch with the communication director and then make sure say all their areas and all their operations are disconnected, so that we can track them down.
Definitely.
Because this is serious.
It's serious. So thank you so much. In case we come across any other area or network, we'll just let you know. Thank you so much. Also support. I mean, you are boy with the support and your guidance. Thank you so much. Oh yeah. All right, of course.
Don't hesitate to let me know. Okay?
Of course.
All right, have a nice day.
Thank you so much. Please don't forget.
I'll do that.
Thank you so much. Okay, Honorable. Thank you.
Bring that back.
Y2K, Y2K. Yeah, prayer mujani. No mudie sikai. Yemasem, kitashisha ni proye. Brabuji, any more sikadi. Ejamansem, any more chronobo. Kasafun, amanyosem propaganda. Wetini wakami byaku ye anyhow. No.
Raz.
Are you sleeping?
When did they wrong you? Why you hit me like that?
Rebel like you. Then who don't go?
Charlie, I'm tired.
I know you tired. But still.
Charlie, man for rest.
Listen. I don't want to talk. But he talked to Mama. Rashida talked to Mama.
Raz. Now you know the situation at hand. Maybe I must step it out. See baby, not be as what we say here. Who's a repeater? Charlie, make you show him. Who be here?
Shut the fuck up. Rebel Bridget. Sometimes Rashida
The man who's smoking the food. You know Araborians. Sometimes Arabs no smoking, no work. You know. You shouldn't fear the time and the year, Juma.
So what do you want me to do?
Go and buy some cigarettes now.
Charlie, I'm not go.
You don't go.
Make you show him.
Hey. Oh. Nyrako. You say you won't go. Hey.
Charlie, I talk and say I'm not go. Make you show him. Who be here? Oh, Charlie, this night no. Can I step out?
Bridget, you disappointed. You disappointed me. Bridget, you just go buy a cigarette now.
I hear.
You will hear me. Watch yourself, fool.
Oh, my man. My man. That's my man. That's my man. I salute you. My man. Me too, I say. So this is kind of back. Member government na settle. I settle to me na. I don't know if you want to be ministers nisa.
Daniel.
My man.
Okasadu. Daniel. Okasadu much. Daniel. Mr. President. The president Mama. A kunkum naked now. A soon tractor. Daniel. I'm telling you, Father Daniel.
My man, trust my work. I bet you're not president. And what be she or be kunkum ministers? It's not possible. My man, the senior settlement. Nisika. I disappoint you. In fact, I'm disappointed in you.
Daniel,
my man,
we are hypocrite. You are here.
No.
And on the trans.
You're poor.
You're trans. We are Kumawood. From starting to the end. You know, we name Daniel at the Kodia House, Daniel. But Transuja was so many years, Daniel. We knew Suja near your Bopa. Now I can answer son, Daniel. Who can help poor money, Daniel?
My man, you know, once a citizen is always a citizen. Me a citizen. Me on my back. To me, him and my massa.
Daniel. Once in my work, I was a citizen. Daniel,
I know. My man. What are you done here? It's me now. It's me. I said Daniel. I fuck. That's it. Fuck you. I receive it. It's also. Mama.
Hey, now, see my daddy.
You want to talk to my daddy? Hey. Y2K, holy Ghanaian trainer,
Nene. Si I am facing come no money pass. The fetching.
Nah, be easy.
Get a friend, no?
So what? That's what it is. See,
Daddy, I'm hungry.
I didn't say so. See, I'm hungry.
Daddy, I'm sick. My mom's a pizza, mommy.
Just 5 minutes. I'll give you just 5 minutes. Call your fucking father.
Nene, and Cassandra. Die.
I'm hungry.
Yeah.
Pass.
Follow
Y2K, Y2K. Yeah, Breya Mujani. No mudie sikai. Yemasem, Kitashishani proye. Brabuji, any more sikadi, a Jamansem, any more chronobo, Kasafon, Amanyosem propaganda. Wetimi wakami byakuye anyhow. Enuna, Emma, Yamai, Ekasuya.
I believe, say, Sanko Fona, Y2K for Umudjana call, Omunchino, Omasaba Merimo, Umdi any breaker Sienaba. Na wonso no why you so ya pain what tin wo pain the kame peseka wo do the kan wo mu hia e be twesika bia esompo near the amount. Nese be ya e be ma suggest aka chawo ye kuwo mase. Be ka 500 million we small deal. We are certified we are be who quiet over first one. I won't say what brabum. When I come.
Honorable, a serviceman, I'm in the
wait. I'm not completed. The meeting and say, I bind that there be now buy a woo yeno. Mo buy and then say, Moko Kumba and say, could ye be pa the mamma? You see that the mamma. So I bind that Dana went to me and me fast egg abominable, the messy dia, one cassa pay. I'm the amount. We a small method.
Honorable woman may do we are papa. Uncle, we are seven starting. It's got a crabby and a was up by it amount. What drown my Akwasa. I didn't escalate. Me and could defend the film. Now, that's what we is our men famine and go to Chacha. She see I'm a minister. Meet with your other ministers, discuss. Now only president and confrontation. That's all. So who do this? Yeah, man, I'm going to bed there. Say, oh, Mumbrana, I'm afraid.
That's the way I work at the bed. I am sorry. Mr. Massa, come back here.
The boy. Fast. This guy more better. Move, my friend, move. Move. president now. You must have a president now. Catch and say action. Yeah, one. So you am with this kind of thing. I see a cigar now. You boy. You chop a cigar. I see a chop. You boy. Jeman go.
Daddy, is this thing very important to you? Huh? Harry.
Hold on fast. Mr. Excellency, Mr. China Police, Mr. Fabio, Minyamoto, please, come here now, come here, Mr. Melusuma, Mr. Bridget Gaines, boss, Mama Brown, Trigger, look last. Mr. Fred,
Guys!
It's okay. Martine gets 5 minutes. One friend now. Break it against them. Martine. That's him. Bema na demon was fuck you, minister. Bumblecrat minister. Trigger Ross.
No disco. Who you smoking? Smoke. Who you smoking again?
No,
you smoking again?
Honorable, when you look at the way things are going in Ghana here, to say no, just we need to work things out. Look at all these things that is happening. Honorable, I am thinking of bringing a suggestion that if only you agree with me, things will work out for us. Seriously, I have this old-time friend in American Army. She's in US. She's so good. She's been helping this American Army for the past 6 years. I'm talking about a good friend that I know. She has all the skills that we are looking for now in Ghana, that she can help us. Count on me and let me, you know, if agree with me, let me bring her. Let her come and help us.
You see, and I couldn't see my head and say, me and I'm out of myself, you know. And I've known you for the past 3 years. Now, when you say you're one person, we are very, very faithful. When you say, and when you mean quite a friend, I say, BNI, couple, boss, almost shooting.
I heard that on the radio, but you know, it's like the whole thing is.
Me who say go follow me to two aprebi ba, to aprebi. Funk of what time said the purpose of which he came they can achieve.
This is so sad.
For now, no. Personally, I'm in a dilemma But I think say for now, no, every suggestion, every idea is welcome. Because who knows, maybe what you are saying, you know, might, you know, work out.
Sure.
So let me see.
I believe in her.
Nipano, what's the name? Your friend is saying?
Oh, Detective Kelly Amwateng.
So what I'm going to do is, remember my secretary, no? The email address, and check it. Information about her. Me hear the profile.
That's okay.
Because in microphone angle on free, but we need professionals.
Seriously.
To entangle around them.
Seriously, Honorable. I have known this lady for 6 years, and I have known her. She's been helping this American army for ages. I know she can help us. If I don't have belief in her, I wouldn't have suggested her to you. Not at all. Not for once. So I will try as I'm going. I met test this so that you will check on her online, and then when you are comfortable with her, now just say why am I not drop it down, because I spoke to her back there on in the States, and she was like she's willing and ever ready to help us, ever ready. Just why you ready so be why am I so ya fa ya fa hu just say what to ye.
No, it is. I'm hoping your second number she will have a remedy.
Very.
For this incurable version.
Trust me.
Thank you.
Settle.
Harry, where are you going to? Who done it? Sit on the floor. Hey, Minister, who done it? Who done it? What's wrong? Slap! Get out to him. Get out to him.
He wanted to run away. He wanted to run away.
You can run. You can hide. You can run. No, you can hide. Wait.
Look at you.
The man 5 minutes.
Look at you.
You're afraid. Friend. Hello. Mr. President. What do you do?
Yeah, what that German just hold down. Nene Famam.
Take care of them going inside.
Let's move fast.
Y2K.
My friend, I'm saying, somewhere possible. The information and of course, compensation. There was a demand in your mind, but to take the law into your own hands now. Just a more very tight, you know, and factory bro. Yeah, to be fair, as a leader of the group, no, so what's here, say, no, call for the casa. I'm with them arms at the form. Me how many president, no, Ibishia, and me demon, Nama Casa on your behalf. Said the bear, necessary, the man will be what the mum, national paper. Into that, my friend,
Commander Mensa, I respect you. I respect you. Commander. You risk your life. The amount of mine. Let the amount of mine. A true brand of mine. Pajay. Baya basu. Me just can be like in my head. Commander. Shenema ACC. Commander. Your government now. You not to drink. But here.
President Nemu said also say a very difficult. But the other Mutias say a two asema kakasemu kumunipani age. Obeshena civilian bia or no innocent person on am the baby. Na just a could be in the money. You must also know say intelligent gathering. So you can force some of you. All for most no much. And it could turn bloody. No, and no, I say what's here. Now would you want to a good form? I'm the vice president on your behalf. Oh, now the Ossia the man will be the man will not ask me to be ever. Test me out.
Commander, somehow. Yeah, you experience since new soldiers. You have more experience. A bit me a woman drop all ammunitions down. Bit me a kidnap all town. Bad town. Oh, many ideas. Yeah, you know all corners in this country. Yeah, you know all mine or baby or mine, sir. Commander, and I yes on the air attack civilian beer. You be attacking government, you know. My opinion, you be attacking them. You are attacking ministers, never one and take a woman. And you be attacking. But you are attacking civilian beer.
No matter what you say, right now, intelligence gathering, government will say, if you are inside. And they will fight back. So fighting back, sir, to the problem about.
Y2K.
See, I the way I near my can come. Mr. Mama adu bremra. Because at the end of the day, no, to say, Minister Shia Mukom, Chenya Kukum, and Kofu who can only moment prepare go hospital. Most of them are civilians. Mr. At medical catch him say, a bina jatum says, Kabiam Pipiano or the Bema. So you just name your price. Oh, Mr. Mama from Namadi among Cardia Moje. Let me demon him now to say, they also on the man will be another man.
Commander Mensa, Muhiasunji. Mopasunji, Mopasunji, Bowman. Where you counsel? You see, we don't need the money, we need president himself now. You're Yatika, you're president now.
And someone says, I say, we are more kind of impossible. President is here when he terrorists go meeting for what? It shouldn't happen like that. It does not happen like that. Constitution man wine. Eh? And to the amount can just name your price. Not the amount. Not some diaba.
Commander. And you like that in Tinyati how? The we are seeing the actual police of the people just sanity. Can I don't pay for Kasa? Let us say you so we are young toy. Yes, I'm doing a mechanism. Commander. I
will feel the way they been out of America.
When you have to talk, just want me at one toy. Since you know Tomo.
I make catch him say, what the be okay right now? Say, as someone person mo catch president, mo country me, na me catch president. On your behalf, Commander Benson. So it be you more Commander Benson. And you possible Commander Benson. There is a trooper. Oh, sir! Commander Benson, out. Move from here. Me no commander, me no commander. Move. Move! You should have no commander in self. Move!
A man may no commander sem no ha. No for me chief. You baby a die no. I dey like that. We are for the pennies of Mississippi.
Never give up.
Never give up, Ned. I want it.
Y2K! Ahoya! Y2K! Ahoya! Y2K! Ahoya! Y2K! Ahoya! Y2K! Ahoya! Kakara Y2K! Ahoya! Kakara Y2K! Ahoya! Bombo!
Now what's in the big at all? What you keep for no a corner from the man fascinating. But 3 days today, say Yamin Kayahua and the Minister Daniel Gombukuye. Many 2 seconds, see me. No more say. Because we're feeling uncle, we do a few hobby. You couldn't go for me. Nay, no more say. They could defend Minister Honey and Kasai. No say, you mean who? Now the uncle from a phone some pay. Head now a bit men who Macassa. To the slow show man said, O managina. Never want to touch the man. Yes, some money is here as a matter.
I don't know. Conform case there. She see a baby to know. And yet, on a train you once a more at trust our stage. From the beginning, we feel a barrier by it. And I was say, a man. Sika, what I'm pressed. Utiama home. A problem with now escalating up to this point. This is maybe I'm not going to the last time I know which I am. I'm not it was serious, so I don't want to walk me out. Right now, life and death, when the face was to me. It's all another circumstance there. The best people can do is more ministers. The president need to mean face you or more Bible penny for. No, maybe there. I don't see that as possible.
Mr. Benson, I would so when say money young workers. Nanga, you better say, you better script about tight bar. Said we defend you. Yes, so.
Maza, that tight security are okay. You can also organize tight security for yourselves. One say me. As 7 minutes, yes, you minimum. And almost 7 or more can. I'm not even more. I buy a castle. So, 2 years I scan my own one and get this as injury. It's all right now. No say, "See, be here. Me and Nimuno, I'm a woman, or sell a crab come out." So they see me as Obia betrayal. Maybe then I'm not there gradually more or make me up bomito just like that. Oh, say at least who senior officer, how they respect man. And yet, one can the last time come home to the way they walk me out. And yeah, easy thing, cry. And Mr. The best you can do Anamakano. 1 penny for the moon. Okay, say the president Nankasakra in your client and you meet here. Chief of staff for senior ministers for. Oh, at least you can pick it up from there. I said, pass every norm, Sakasa say, or woman's baby cry.
Okay, any Mr.
Yes, I quite know.
I feel so tired.
Amazing, child.
When are you planning to meet the minister?
Yeah, at the moment, I don't know. Anytime soon. The problem is, will whom be alright. But I need to prove a point. Let me put things together. CV, whom a profile and everything, but Yema hard copies, so I'm putting things together. And by October, are you serious? Oh, I'm serious.
I really have hope in you. I know say you can do it. That is why I honestly called you. But these people, I remember they say it was war. It was so serious. Come and see. It's one your soul. And I mean, one give you to say, it was not easy. What happened there? Seriously, it's different. This is what I've told you.
I don't know where it's turning into.
But I have hope in you. I know you can do it. So please try and help me out.
Listen, girl,
that's your only problem. Are you serious?
Serious. I'm in business.
You know, your words are really encouraging me, but I don't know, let the action speak as well.
Listen, girlfriend. Back then, you time and you do not. Sure. We don't joke with our time. Our time is money. Time is everything. Into a channel, okay, I'm just going to leave everything to me.
Wow, I hate you. I trust you, my girl. I know you can do that.
Okay, very. So, Charlie,
meet me as I see your mom.
I know, make her. Yeah, I have to down. I'm down. I know, right? Let me cut it down.
Oh, my young lady. Much over my in the bag. Okay, all right.
Now, we are retired army commander. What command the so-called guys are from Y2K. And Patricia, now we are family.
Yeah, it's true, sir. Y2K for whatever normal command the army pay, and the air course also no said they all can mati and I'm be. But kasa ya no me kasa. Tin already know me no more started kasa. Do that easy. But we are trusting God say onwa ebe my sa favor no in their size and ebe ya ne no me can't ase ebe adwuma. Nti afamu de was me here at the Buana asombi ba na de igusu yeah.
I'm Patricia, what's the only makasa? Now only makasa and say no me reaction being no me.
It's kind of difficult. I say my own friend Liberia. That pain is still there, fresh in your mind. You know, and easy sir, but yeah, junior me say on one baby mama and nema we because government no so am assurance say schedule on PPR will be to the amount. Timmy no more kasa on those lines, and we are trusting God say baby mama asumbi aba.
Okay, and she say no na mobile na kwesi too.
Well, no, I mean that reassurance say government understand say schedule on Shibiano. Yeah, so you know we share one-on-one yeah.
Well, I'm say we there, yes, sure. Shall we very best? So over to me any of my casa say be on slow things down because I could go now also.